Non-solicitation provisions concerning suppliers in employment agreements have to be drafted really carefully and really narrowly to have any application to you once you leave your job. Otherwise, they'll be considered an illegal non-compete and be rendered void, so you don't have to worry about them once you leave your employment. So there are a few things you want to look for to see if you're dealing with a legitimate legal non-solicit or a lurking, hiding illegal non-compete in your agreement. The first one is that the suppliers in question have to remain current suppliers of your employer. Non-solicits have no application to past suppliers or even prospective suppliers that the employer is chasing after, especially if you have nothing to do with chasing those potential suppliers. The second one is that at the time that you left your employment, you have to have had some kind of direct relationship with the suppliers in question. So either you were managing that supply agreement or you were negotiating the terms of the supply. Otherwise, the non-solicit has no application to you. Now, the last point is more of an overarching consideration, and that is that the employer has to be able to prove that they have a legitimate business interest in protecting that particular supply agreement with that particular supplier. So for instance, if the supply is just could be substituted by any other company out in the world, then there really isn't that kind of a legitimate business interest that has to be protected. So there has to be something unique about that particular supplier that the employer has to prove in order to justify the non-solicit.